You got any biscuits for sale in there?
Hello friends. I'm doing this cooking and all because it's fun. I enjoy it. But if you'd like to, if you thought maybe, hey, I'd like to support this guy and what he's doing, on my website, you'll see some little ads sprinkled through there. If you would be so kind as to click on one of those every once in a while, that is one way that you can support me. And I appreciate it. And thank y'all for watching, most importantly. How y'all doing? Cooking turnips. First thing you want to do is start out with a good wash. Alright. And then I'm going to tear the leaves off little by little. Going to avoid the stem for the most part. Little stem's okay. Big fat stem. Actually, yeah, you don't want that. Anyway, I'm gonna keep on washing these. I'll be back in just a minute. Let me show you what we got here so far. Get in there. See that? Alright, I'm just shredding these up. That big, maybe a little smaller. You can buy these things pre-washed, already shredded up, but I still recommend washing them. And also, something else you need to know is they will go bad faster if you buy them pre-shredded than they do if you buy them still like they are. It's gonna look like this is gonna overflow, but we're gonna cook them down, a little bit of water in them. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And anyway, have you some good turnip greens. Why turn down when you can turn up? So I have my pot of turnip greens here. I've got them about halfway to the top of the turnip greens in water, roughly, about halfway. I've got them over medium heat, and now I'm gonna put the magic to them. 2 strips of bacon, because what don't taste better with bacon? Wiz keeps telling y'all, you gotta keep bacon grease around. He's right. What you need in this is one big gob, pretty good gob. Ain't got a lot. Pretty good gob of bacon grease in there. Gob and a half. And then, this is real scientific. But you're gonna take salt, just shake a pretty good bit on there. Okay? So, then you're gonna do the same thing with nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Put about as much nutmeg as you did salt. Same thing you did with salt and nutmeg, do that with sugar also. Just give it a good shaking. We have our bacon, we have our nutmeg, we have our salt, and we have about a 1/4 cup of sugar in there. So what I'm gonna do now, and our gob of grease right there, yes. I'm just gonna try to roll all this in together. So I'm getting my grease and all my seasoning down toward the bottom. Medium heat. So this water's gonna boil here. And every 2 or 3 minutes you need to roll these over, stir them good. You'll know these are getting done. They're already kind of packing down a little bit. You'll know these are getting done when they start turning darker green. And we'll show you what that looks like here in a few. These are softening up a lot, becoming a lot more soupy. So I'm going to give y'all an update. She's rolling. She's rolling in a bowl. We're starting to darken up. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. These are done. I'll turn the heat off. Just gonna let them keep boiling until they quit. Getting pretty dark green, a little runny looking. When I was a kid, I thought these things were disgusting. I still kind of feel the same way, but they taste pretty good. So, anyway, do you do your turnip greens different? Let me know. Drop a comment. Leave a like. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs down. 5-star. Share on social media. Hope y'all have enjoyed it.